Right.
Lauren Brown, Deputy Chief Public Defender, Defendant on behalf of Mr. Aaron Reich. Go ahead and state your name, please.
To ensure justice is made, I will make 5 brief statements and then state my name. Dana from the Forensic Center had first met me on the 17th of July, 2024, 8 days ago. Yet, several months prior, she submitted a report in my case without having known me at all. She didn't even know me. That was several months ago. I just seen it eight days ago. The total time I'd ever spent at the Forensic Center is about an hour. The court claims that I'm incompetent, yet neither the Forensic Center nor anyone else has provided me with any help. Why then is my sentencing being delayed for 6 months as of now? No attorney, such as Mr. Brown, has ever met or spoken to me about the details of my case. None. So how is he qualified to represent me, with all due respect to him? My case is full of flaws and inaccuracies. Under such conditions, no judge, even the most qualified one, can reach at the truth. And the last one, someone with advanced spiritual abilities is controlling the minds of everyone I come into contact with. It is hard.
Right away, this hearing takes an unexpected turn. The defendant isn't simply disputing the charges, he's questioning the entire competency process, the forensic evaluation, and even his legal representation. Then comes a statement about advanced spiritual abilities controlling minds, which may reinforce the very concerns the court is evaluating. What do you think? Was he raising legitimate procedural complaints, or did that final statement completely change how the judge had to view the situation?
And almost impossible to believe, but that is the truth. With that, I'm complete, and my name is Amit Ehrenreich.
I don't really care now.
Can I address one thing? He said,
Yes.
We haven't talked to him. Usually when we have clients who are being referred for competency, it's a policy that we don't go and discuss the case with them until they have been shown to be competent.
But even prior to that, you've never met with me, you've never spoken to me, I've never seen you. How in the world are you qualified, with all due respect, to represent me? Had you known me, had you known the details of my case, had you listened to me, yes, you would have been a qualified lawyer, but otherwise, how can you represent me?
Oh,
even before
he's very qualified. Are you done? That was a question. Are you done now?
I'm willing to.
Are you done? I have a report. There is no other additional evidence from either side.
None, Your Honor.
This report indicates that in the opinion of the examiner that this individual remains incompetent to stand trial. In this matter, there being no other evidence to the contrary, defendant is at this point deemed incompetent.
This is a crucial legal moment. The judge isn't deciding guilt or innocence here. Instead, the court is determining whether the defendant is currently competent to participate in his own defense. If the court accepts the evaluator's report and there's no evidence to contradict it, the case generally cannot move forward until competency is restored. It's a reminder that competency hearings focus on fairness, not whether someone committed the alleged offense.
Set a review hearing October 24, 2024, 9 a.m. Bond will continue. Thank you.
How in the
You
world
can
did
leave
change?
my courtroom now. Go with the deputies. Thank you. Yeah, go ahead. Just go with them, please. Thank you. Is that the end of that block? Thank goodness. Court stands in recess. Court does call the case, People versus Robert. Is it Droszewski?
On behalf of the people.
Written on behalf of Mr. Droszewski. Your name for the record.
Droszewski Robert, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
How you doing, sir?
I'm doing well. Yourself?
Not well, sir.
This is another matter in which we do not yet have an updated report.
Do not yet have the report, you mean?
Why am I being denied an attorney? Why is an attorney coming to see me?
Hold on.
Your Honor.
Hold on a second.
Yes, please. Yes, sir.
So
Sorry.
we're looking,
Apologies.
you're looking for a report on this case.
Yes.
And we don't have it yet. Did both cases get referred over or just one?
I see that the 1052 is competency. The 1188 appears to be a bond violation.
Got it. Okay, so because that one's set for just a straight PCC, isn't it?
That is correct, Your Honor. 1138 was just.
All right. We haven't heard anything from,
I have not.
all right, what was our dates?
I've told him that I'm willing to cooperate.
All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. September 26, 2024 at 9 a.m., I will move the date up. To keep them together, I would also set this case for PCC that date, but move it up, or what do you want me to do on that?
So he has not even yet been spoken to by CMH. So
Pardon?
he's not even had the interview yet with CMH. So I'm going to keep that in mind.
Okay.
Your Honor. Good morning,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
I've been just so you know, I've been requesting to speak with someone, and I've sent numerous letters. I've called the public defender's office to talk to an attorney about questions I have relating to this competency, why it was even ordered in the first place. I've requested copies of the motions as to why I was even sent a motion to have me for a competency, and no one's answering me. No one's talking.
Now the courtroom dynamic changes completely. Instead of arguing about the charges, the defendant describes months of trying to contact a lawyer, unanswered letters, and confusion about why the competency process even began. Whether every claim is accurate or not, you can hear genuine frustration in his voice. Have you ever wondered how difficult it must feel to navigate the legal system without understanding what's happening? Let us know in the comments.
Talking to me. And personally, I don't even believe that I should be going to forensics, sir. I mean, if there's a hearing that we can have, that a lawyer can talk to me. I've been trying to talk to a lawyer for 5 months now, and I've been rejected every time. I've been laughed at in my face by other attorneys when they've seen me in the courtroom about this violation for talking to my girl on the phone. They literally laughed in my face when I asked them.
This may be one of the most important moments in the hearing. Rather than debating the defendant's complaints, the judge focuses on solving the communication problem by directing counsel to explain the competency process. Small exchanges like this often don't make headlines, but they can significantly affect how a defendant understands and participates in the legal process going forward.
Questions. The lawyer who asked me, who put in the motion for competency, when I asked him about evidence in the case, his exact words to me, Your Honor, were, quote, "I am not going to do anything you ask me to do," unquote. And I had
Notice how the tone shifts. The defendant remains frustrated, but once he hears that someone will finally explain the process, the tension begins to ease. Clear communication can completely change the atmosphere inside a courtroom. Do you think earlier communication could have prevented much of this conflict, or was the court simply following the required legal procedure?
some choice words for him. We came into the court. He filed a motion for competency against me. Why am I sitting here 5 months
It's
later?
not, sir. It's,
I mean, I understand, Your Honor.
I was not part of the conversation, but I would say that, first of all, a competency is not filed against you.
I understand that, sir.
Okay, so
But why am I being denied an opportunity to speak to a lawyer about the competency issue and about the motion in the first place? They're telling me that they can't even talk to me.
I don't think that they would have said that.
Your Honor,
They
I've called the
can't.
public defense.
Okay.
Pardon my interruption.
Go ahead. What were you going to say?
I'm sorry, sir.
What were you going to say? Go ahead.
I've called the public defender's office 3 times. They've told me that no lawyer will talk to me. I've sent 4 or 5 letters to the public defender's office requesting to talk to an attorney specifically about this competency motion and examination that I had questions, and no one responds to me.
Okay, so Mr. Brown, I'm going to set these dates. You'll make sure that somebody
make
gets
sure
down
that-
and talks to them about this.
Absolutely.
So